With your move. Come on. Hi, nice meeting you.
Good luck with your move in June.
I hope.
You're moving in June and the wedding is June.
Yeah.
Yeah.
We'll be at the airport.
Oh, you can
Yeah,
do
they're
it.
moving in June.
You
That's
never
our big
know.
movement.
We're moving next week and the week after.
Yeah.
Last week.
Okay.
Okay.
Everybody's moving.
Mommy doesn't have enough pockets.
I kiss already the two guys down.
Okay.
So Merry Christmas.
Merry Christmas.
Happy New Year.
Wedding.
Sorry,
I
kids
see you
have
tomorrow.
to
Never know.
the kids have to. We have the last one to leave.
I don't want to step on the floor.
Oh, it's okay.
Kids, now, next time around, you'll be the last
Gonna
one.
get together.
Mwah.
Listen. Bye from here.
Yes.
What do we do from here? Get one party over with first.
Come here, Bernadette.
See you, Lisa.
Bernadette.
Oh,
See
I
you.
know how to put
It's okay, there's it.
We'll do this.
Everybody's changing,
Bye, Bern.
putting your shoes in the Merry Christmas.
Merry
Happy
Christmas.
New Year.
Bye, Uncle June. Merry Christmas.
Merry Christmas.
What's Carrie? Carrie is it all done?
It's in my pocket.
Let me turn in the pocket. How about your free thing?
I got it.
Okay.
All right, bye. She's already loaded.
Fine tomorrow.
Sorry.
Bye.
All right.
You know what word I can give
See you, Chris. Bye.
Word and Dennis are leaving.
Okay.
Bye, guys.
Bye, Carter. Bye, Clyde.
Merry Christmas.
Okay, take care.
Bye, Mary.
Bye.
I know.
Let's go.
Come on,
Drive carefully, guys.
Yeah.
Drive carefully.
Okay.
Okay.
Good night.
Uh-oh. Mama's boy ba siya? Hindi naman.
No.
Yung isa pa, yung malaki.
Oh.
Oh, where are you
Oh.
going?
Picture, pa. Dennis mo.